What is homemade rust water and why is it so useful in the Ecoprinting studio? So, in simple terms, a homemade rust water solution replaces a solution that other eco-printers would make by dissolving the powdered mordant ferrous sulfate in water. But by using a chunk of rusty metal, vinegar, and water, we can make a more health conscious solution. We're not dealing with those powdered mordants, and we're also not wasting resources in the manufacture of the powders. The solution is really, really useful for a few different reasons. It's what I like to dip any fabric that is cellulose based into before I eco-print because it mimics that ferrous sulfate effect. It helps make my printing more color and light fast. You can also top up your dirty pot with rust water if you want to achieve darker results from the pot. And at times, you may choose to dip or soak some of your leaves in a rust water solution, and that will modify the color of the prints that those specific leaves will give on your fabric. So, homemade rust water, it acts as a replacement for a ferrous sulfate and water solution. It's used to make sure that you can enhance the prints on cellulose fabric when you are working without powdered mordants. It can be used to modify the color of your pot liquid, and it can also be used to dip leaves in if you want to modify the color of certain prints.